Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you an awesome product that's been a game changer for me. The DJI Mini 5 Pro. It's a portable drone that's perfect for aerial photography enthusiasts. This is a drone that's designed to capture stunning footage and photos from the sky. It's so cool. I've been using it for a while now, and I just can't get enough of it. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has some amazing specs. It weighs just 249 g, which is super lightweight, making it easy to take with you wherever you go, and it's also foldable, which is a huge plus for travel. It can shoot video in 4K at 60 frames per second, giving you incredibly smooth footage. The flight time is up to 36 minutes, which is plenty of time to get the shots you need, and it's also got a long-range transmission system, so you can control it from up to 10 kilometers away. It has 42 gigabytes of storage, so you can store plenty of photos and videos, and it's also got a micro SD card slot, so you can expand the storage even further. It's got a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which gives you amazing image quality, and the gimbal has a 225 degrees rotation, giving you so much flexibility when it comes to shooting. The drone also has some advanced features like active track, which allows you to track a subject and keep it in frame, and it also has a panorama mode, which allows you to capture stunning 360-degree photos. I've been using this drone to capture some amazing footage of landscapes and cityscapes. It's so easy to use, and the results are just stunning. The footage is so smooth, and the photos are so sharp. I've also been using it to capture some amazing sunset shots. The colors are just incredible, and the dynamic range is so wide. In real-world use, this drone has been a game changer for me. I've been using it to capture footage for my videos, and it's just taken my content to the next level. I've also been using it to capture photos for my social media, and the quality is just amazing. I've even used it to capture some amazing footage of my travels. It's so easy to take with you, and it's just so much fun to use. Overall, I'd give this drone a solid 9 out of 10. It's just an amazing product that's perfect for anyone who loves aerial photography. The only thing that stops it from being a 10 is the price. But trust me, it's worth every penny. If you're looking for a portable drone that can capture stunning footage and photos, then this is the one for you. It's just so versatile, and the quality is just amazing. So be sure to like and subscribe for more product reviews and tech news. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. I'll also be doing some more in-depth tutorials on how to use this drone, so be sure to stay tuned for those. And I'll see you all in the next video.